In this video, I'll be showing you how to change lock screen password on Samsung Galaxy phone. It's the best tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. What we're going to do is go over to our settings application, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see lock screen and AOD, and we want to go ahead and click on that. At the very top, you're going to see screen lock and biometrics. Now we're going to see a lot of different things, but we're going to see PIN as one of them. And what we can do is just go ahead and click on that again, and then we can set a new pin. It says remember this pin. If you forget it, you'll need to reset your phone and your data will be erased. The reason it lets you automatically just change it straight away is because we already just typed a pin to get in here, and we could do the same thing for password or anything else that you want as well. So if you don't want a pin, you can do a password where you can type in something even more unique if you ever want to do that. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is a few ways to do it, like pattern, swipe, anything like that. So it's your choice which one you want to do. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.